Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could insert an email from Gmail into an Excel file. To begin, open your Google or your Gmail account, click on the email, click on the three dots, and click Download Message. As a next step, open your Excel file, locate the sheet where you want to insert the email. You can click in any of the cells where you can insert it. Click Insert, Object, Create from File, Display as Icon, Browse, Desktop, locate the email, insert, and click OK. Here is the email. You can always adjust it and you can always move it around and place it wherever you want. Make sure to click save so that the email is saved within the Excel file. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.